Hi, I am Himal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is vector algebra. If A vector equal to I plus J, I vector plus J vector plus K vector, and B vector equal to J vector minus K vector, then find a vector C vector such that the first condition is A vector cross C vector equal to B vector, and the second condition A vector dot C vector equal to 3. So using these two conditions, we have to find a new vector C vector. So first condition is A vector cross C vector equal to B vector. So first find A vector cross C vector. A vector cross C vector, that is equal to I, J, K. I, J, K. A vector is 1, 1, 1. What is C vector? So first you don't know what is C vector. For that, what you have to take is, let C vector equal to xi plus yj plus zk vector. So if now C vector equal to x, y, z, x, y, z. So A vector first I vector into, that is y, z minus x, minus j vector into z minus j vector into z minus, I vector into z minus y, j vector into z minus x plus k vector into y minus x. So next, what is given? A vector cross C vector equal to B vector. What is B vector? B vector is J vector minus K vector. So J vector minus K vector equal to I into Z minus Y minus J vector Z minus X plus K vector into Y minus X. So now comparing the coefficients of I, J, K on both sides, what you get is, here Z minus Y equal to 0. Next, here minus Z minus K. Here is J 1. Therefore, Z minus X equal to minus 1. That is second equation. Then Y minus X equal to minus 1. That is the third equation. So here we are using this equating the coefficients on both sides. So you are getting 3 equations. Here from first equation, what you get? Y equal to Z. Next, one more condition. That is the next condition. Here it's this one condition. It is not sufficient. So next, what is given as A vector dot C vector equal to 3. What is C vector? Xi plus yj plus zk. What is A vector? I plus j plus k. So I plus j plus k into xi plus yj plus zk vector equal to 3. So what is the dot multiplication for this one? That is equal to, here 1 into x, therefore x, here x plus y plus z equal to 3. So this is the fourth equation. Here you substitute y, instead of y you substitute z. So x plus 2z equal to 3. Again we are going to use this equation, second equation, that is z minus x equal to minus 1. So using this equation, what you get is 3z equal to 2. So which implies z equal to 2 by 3. So y equal to 2 by 3. Next we have to find x. So instead of x, here we have to substitute, that is minus x plus 2 by 3 equal to minus 1. Minus x plus 2 by 3 equal to minus 1. Therefore, from this minus x equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3. So what you get? Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 3. Here 1 minus, so minus get cancelled. Therefore, x equal to plus 5 by 3. Next we have to write the equation, that is what is the C vector? C vector equal to x is 5 by 3 I vector plus Then y is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 j vector plus k is 2 by 3, sorry, z is 2 by 3 k vector. So this is the required vector, C vector. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.